Beautiful people, it is Monday, December 20th. Christmas is in 5 days. I haven't posted a vlogmas video since Friday. I do have content coming for y'all. I'm going to take today to edit it. I have a lot of stuff to do today. So I got up this morning at 5:45, was on the prayer line. I came down here in our Airbnb room and just stayed down here. I thought I was going to fall back to sleep, but I didn't. So I've just been on my phone. And now I'm like, okay, let me just get up. So the list of things I need to do today. I need to work out. My grocery delivery is coming between 10 and 12. So I have to get that together. I need to cook for tonight and the rest of the week. So we have quesadillas and spaghetti. Also, let's see. So cook, work out. I need to clean, fold the laundry. I need to go to the store. I need to go to Walmart. I need to go to the mall. I want to wrap gifts. I need to call my dentist and my dental insurance because I'm supposed to go get my permanent crown put on tomorrow. But my dental insurance, it's like, what's the point of having it if I have to pay $700 tomorrow, I'm not getting it done. So I'm gonna be walking around with a temporary crown for the rest of my life. Well, of course, after working out and cleaning, I'm gonna need to shower. I need to do my hair, and my husband and Harper both want me to take out their hair. That is my list today. So let's see if we get it all done. I wanted to show you all the Elf on the Shelf shenanigans. She went with us to New Bern. I did a terrible job of vlogging this weekend, but there's a little bit of footage. But here's what the elf is doing. Only a few more days and she'll be gone. All right, y'all, just finished my workout. Did 30 minutes of a full body dumbbell workout. Now I'm about to fold laundry. It was washed last week, but there it is. So now I'm going to fold laundry. While I do that, I'm gonna watch some Netflix. So workout, check, done. Folding laundry, about to be done. Hey girl, hey, I know y'all seeing me like these little check-ins. So I folded the big thing of laundry. I have this one to fold, just a little bit, but I have to pause because EJ needs his hair taken out and he can't do it himself. All right, there's EJ's hair done, his twist out.
Daddy, stop doing that!
Oh, y'all, I thought I was done folding laundry. I went to put the baskets in here. There's clothes in the dryer. Oh, but these are towels. Oh my God. And then next, I'm going to tidy up in here. Definitely need to sweep the floor, do a quick little Swiffer. And yeah, gotta put away all the workout stuff. Can't wait till we turn our sunroom into our workout area. Yeah, some more folding. Yay. Turn the lights off, but definitely clean. I just Swiffer the floor. Now I'm waiting for the groceries, so I am going to clean up in the kitchen. Things need to be put away. So it's not that bad. It really isn't. Should be good to go. Shouldn't take too long. So here we go. Hey, hey. Okay, so cleaning the kitchen. I have even ventured to clean out the oven a little bit. I've conditioned the countertops. The groceries have arrived. So I'm gonna put these on the table. I need to put these away. Hey y'all, so in the midst of cleaning the kitchen, Reagan came to let me know that Harper threw up. So, and of course it was on the carpet, yay. So I have this stuff that I bought to clean the car. It's a stain extractor, so I've sprayed that up there. Spray that one more time. This is Lucky Charms. That's what she threw up. And we have this spot cleaner, but I'm going to use this to get this thing out. Kitchen has been tidied and counters have been conditioned. I am making some spaghetti and garlic bread. Ooh, the oven is smoking because I cleaned it out. I'm making some garlic bread, and then I'm making some rose water as well. That's for my hair. So I'm gonna go take a shower and then eat some lunch and then head on my errands. All right, good people, we are heading out. So yeah, we're heading out to the store. Gotta go to Beauty Supply, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. Hold on, buddy. Reagan and Harper are off their sick bed for now.
We're off our sick and shut in.
Ugh. I was praying for the sick and shut in this morning on the prayer line.
See, that was
I didn't know I was praying for y'all. You got it, Harp? I'm at my favorite store, Dollar Tree. It's not my favorite store. Thank you, Reagan.
Harper, you didn't say thank you. You got that girl Beauty Supply.
I did.
I did. You know, I'm gonna get some more tape just in case.
I wonder if they got those hair bows.
I should probably need to drink some water. Oh, this is cute. I need to get this because we're gonna have hot chocolate.
See?
Oh, I need to go
Now when I'm out for break, I can play with the. How about that one?
Here you go. It has glitter in it.
Thanks, Mommy.
Don't ask me for nothing else. Y'all saw we went to Dollar Tree, right? So Reagan and Harper were behind me in the toy aisle playing with a toy ball. It's some people in the middle of the store blocking the aisle, mind you, where you can't even get to other places. I had to go around. One is a worker, and I guess there's other people, a shopper in there. I guess they know each other, having full-on conversation. And then one time I saw somebody over there throwing the ball, and I was like, okay. And then the worker says, whoever over there need to stop throwing that ball for somebody coming around the corner and give you something you don't want to. I was like, everybody relax, everybody calm down, ain't nobody throwing the ball. I got so upset because don't threaten nobody, and especially don't threaten my kids, because I was about to fight. It's the holiday season, but all these degrees and all this education I got is about to be laid on the floor right along with you. I was upset. I just had to come and let y'all know. And this is why EJ keep telling me that I need to get a gun, because I don't know how to act. But I did good. I just told him, I said, everybody relax, calm down. It was uncalled for. You don't threaten people. I don't care, child, adult, you just don't threaten people like that. Like, if you're a worker, say, hey, stop throwing the ball. That's it. Don't threaten. Because Reagan was about to see me get that lady a two-piece. She was about to be embarrassed. Okay? Harper was like, I don't know what's going on. This ain't no traffic, child.
Harper still wanted her toy. That's what she was doing.
Harper's putting stuff in my cart. I'm like, no, ma'am. I already got extra stuff in there I didn't want to get. Reagan putting her stuff in my cart, acting like she just want me to carry it for her. Yeah, how convenient. How convenient.
Okay, for kids. Yep.
Oh my god. And look, they got Space Jam too, Harper. We're gonna come back and see if they go on sale. Okay?
Oh, Mommy, it's the one in Dalmatian.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna come back and after Christmas and check. Okay. Okay.
No! Just leaving me.
Oh, sorry.
Ugh.
These are only the red and green ones, and they only come out during Christmas time.
Oh, okay. Get me
You
some.
want for me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Mom, can you just stop for a minute?
Alright, that's all I needed for her.
Can you just stop for a minute? Whoa.
I'm not going anywhere.
Can I tell you to stop for a minute?
Oh my gosh. All this candy. Look at it. Like, sheesh. Come on, Harper Bear. Oh, wow. Look at those
Harper.
Twizzlers.
Come on, we gotta go. Look at
Yeah,
it.
I want that for Christmas.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's just little ones though.
Oh, I was getting, but it's 2 pounds.
Mommy.
Right. I don't know. Why you got Baby Yoda in the cart? It's called Garland.
Y'all,
We're in the mall.
we in the city?
In the city. Hey y'all, we're in Best Buy. Reagan's trying to find some.
So these are on ear. So
Some
it ain't
headphones
gonna
she
be
likes.
much different than these.
Also, we left the mall and I did not find what I was looking for my dad. So we have to pivot on that. I'm over here looking at MacBooks now.
Hi, Mommy.
Or not MacBooks, but iMac. Ooh, this is a big one.
This is a big one.
is the next day. We have 4 days until Christmas. So I was stressing about getting a gift for my dad because he wanted an authentic Raiders jersey, custom. We get this, y'all, and my brother's like, I'll take care of it, blah, 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 blah. My brother waited too long. That jersey is now, after taxes, $400. Went to the stores. They can customize one, but you have to have a blank one, and they don't sell blank ones. But thank God for my husband. Stop. Thank God for my husband, who remembered that my dad said that he wanted a bump box. Went online this morning, found him one, and I ordered it. It said free 3-day shipping. So today is the 21st. So it could get here on Christmas Eve. Here's to hoping. So that's one thing checked off my to-do list today. Next thing I need to do is edit videos. I need to send 2 videos to clients. I have to do like last little edits. Then I have to edit 1, 2, probably 3 vlogs for myself at this point. No, 2. Yeah. So 2 vlogs for me and get those posted. And then what else I need to do? I need to get some pictures printed. I need to make these DIY things. I don't know if it's all gonna happen today, but over the next few days. I have to take out the food that's in the freezer to start prepping for Christmas dinner. Clean the living room and clean the upstairs bathroom. I need to do my hair. And we're going out for sushi tonight. And I gotta go to the bank and get Reagan her money.
Oh my gosh! Oh my god, my hair looks flat.
Girl!
And I gotta go return some. Oh.
Yeah, so.
And go buy my headphones.
Yeah, but that's not on my list. She better call an Uber. All right, y'all. We are out the house. We're at Sushi Queen.
Hey, where your coat at?
My coat is right.
We're actually doing something. I've been at home editing all day, but we are finally out of the house.
The spring rolls, y'all. Yeah.
I know we did.
All right, so I think I'm gonna get this sushi regular platter here, y'all.
I'm gonna live it up like kids.
Yeah, bro was so mad at you. He's like, I tried to tell her. I said, we all tried to tell her. She made it seem like she was gonna bust it down.
Alright, y'all, I got some miso soup. It is good. And the tofu is good too. Alright, y'all. As you can see, the food was good.
Reagan let me eat this nasty.
Why you gotta yell?
Reagan eat me. Let me eat this nasty.
Reagan eat me, let me.
Nasty. Phil.
Of course, Harper girl.
Never finishes.
Yo, we done made it inside the mall, y'all. We came here to go to Best Buy to see if they had these headphones that Reagan want. They did not. Now we're gonna go see this machine that EJ has invested in. All right, y'all, we finally found what we came here to see. Why does God look like he's taking a picture by it? Or this one is brew and feed. Stay over here. Coconut lime balsamic hot sauce. Y'all, I had an issue with vending, so we couldn't even see the product. This is what we come home to.
And I'm pretty sure
Package on package on package.
Keys.
Package on package on package. Package on package on package. Good morning, beautiful people. I've been up since about 5:40. Yeah, I was playing a game and then I was finalizing a vlog that just went up. So I have on clothes to work out. I do want to get a workout in. I got this outfit from Amazon. Greetings and salutations. The day has gone. I have edited 2 videos today. Both are posted. One is live. One will go live later today. And I did Reagan's hair. I worked out. I just got out the shower. I've eaten lunch. And now I'm gonna do some gift wrapping. So I think I showed y'all this. Walmart had these gift wraps kits And this one matched my colors perfectly. And they also had one. This one matched Harper's tree. So I'm gonna wrap her gifts in this. She hasn't seen it, so that's good. Happy about that. I need to hang up our letters. So I got this in another vlog. I mentioned we went to the store. EJ and I ran some errands and I didn't show y'all what we got, but I got these letters to put on our stockings. All right, y'all, so I'm wrapping my mom's gift. I'm not gonna tell you about it just in case she watches, so look out on the next vlog. Yeah, it should be the vlog after this one. You'll see Christmas Day and what goes down with her gift. I forgot to show y'all my mom's finished gift wrap, but I had to keep Harper out. So this is Harper's stocking stuffers. Ooh, I have stocking stuffers for Reagan. I have stocking stuffers for EJ. Oh, we are out here in these holiday streets. When I tell you, we're here at Target to pick up a few things. Waiting for the lady to get out the car. What you got there, Harper?
I got strawberry fresh.
No, she gonna string it
And
out.
Reagan too.
Oh, she could've
Reagan
strained it
got
off.
strawberry refresher.
Oh, thank you. Do y'all see this parking garage? Definitely holiday rush. Yeah, we walked from Target to Marshall's. What's up? And do we need to go? Oh, Jesus. He's gonna tear her shoes up.
She already did.
Do we need to go anywhere else? Here's some gifts wrapped for EJ. And then here's some back here for you know who's. I'm finished wrapping for today. I am going to keep wrapping later, but I'm going to pause now because they want me to come downstairs. So I'm just trying to clean up before I go down. And then once I finish helping, we're setting up the sunroom to be like a workout area. So once I finish helping with that, I'm going to make my DIY gifts. Since y'all haven't seen my home improvement vlogs yet, this is our sunroom, and EJ has done a lot of organization. You found this calyx on the side of the road, right?
$3.99.
Yeah, so he found this calyx, so we're using that for storage. It's super cool. I'm gonna come up here and end this vlog. I didn't get a chance to do my DIY because EJ had me down there. Y'all saw in the room. And our weights came. I'll show y'all that. But the weights came. And we went over to the Stansel's house. And we saw Dave's parents and sister. And his parents closed on their house today. So I didn't get a chance to do my DIY. So I'll do that in the next video. That's where y'all will see that at. So these are our weights. I think it goes from 10 to 30. So these are the weight set, and then we have the rack, and then we have the mats right here. We were not expecting to get them this early, but there we are. Anywho, that is it for today's Vlogmas vlog. Y'all, I'm gonna end it right here so I can go ahead and edit, and y'all will see this video tomorrow in real time. And I'll see y'all in the next one. We're getting closer to Christmas. Yay! There was so much going on in my last vlog, but there's so much going on in this one. Wow. Good night.